Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, this is the day wise chart. As you can see that from 3 days there is a continuous downfall, okay, and a swing has formed after a high of around $34.2. Okay, and chances can be high that if the price keep moving below this level, a further downfall we can see towards 32.7, and then a further fall we can see towards 32.3, and then further low. Okay, if we go on a day wise chart, you will see clearly that the price for this particular week we have seen a downfall because it has already made a high and is supported at this trend. I have told you that if the price can touch a level of around 34.2 or 34.4, because see, this was the zone and this particular pattern is supporting that it will go above a level of $34, and from there a bounce back can come because profit booking come at this level. Okay, and it has already made a low of around $32.9, and from there, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can move towards 32.6, and from there a level of 32.3, and then a further downfall we can see. Okay, looking at this particular chart, see, if you have to understand at this particular level that suppose if the price started falling below this level, chances are high that if the price started going below that particular level, chance of going towards 32.6 will be there, and from there a further downfall. See, this is the zone we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can go, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, so now the price is trading at a level of $33.1210. Okay, and if you look at this trend, see, this is the zone where the price is moving for quite some time. Okay, now if you look at for this particular week wise, we have seen from this week we have seen a downfall, but otherwise 2 weeks was continuously upside. On a day wise chart, it is on a higher side. So if you go on a day dollar index, you will understand how the dollar index is moving. See, dollar index trying to go higher. For this particular week, we have seen it has sustained this level, but if the price started going below this particular level, and because a level of around $3.139 is already weak, so chances are high the price will move further low. Suppose if the price sustained, it will move towards 104.1, and from there it will touch a level of $104.7. Suppose if the price started going above this level, probability of going towards 105.5 will be there, then to a level of $106.1. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see. If the price moving above that particular level, chance of going above a level of 107.4 is there, and then a further downfall will be there. So when I'm saying that the price of dollar index started going upside, it will go above a level of 104.8, and from there a level of 106.1, and from there a level of 106.5, and this level is already weak, so chances are high the price will go further to 107.5, and from there it will touch a level of 108.5, and then a further upside. But if the price didn't sustain, it will touch a level of around 103.4, and from there a further downfall we can see towards 103.2, and then a level of around $102. If the price moving below that particular level, chances are high it will touch a level of $101.2, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards 100.1. This 100.1 is already weak, so chances are high the price will go further low, and then after that it can touch a level of around 99.5 after crossing a level of $101.2. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see. Okay, so when I'm saying that the dollar index started going upside, we will see the price of silver will come down, and if the dollar index started going down, we will see the silver price will go up. This is what we can see. Coming back again on the silver price, what we can see, you have to understand whenever you start to trade, put your SL, so your capital will be safe, and once you in profit, try to trail it, so your profit will be safe. Suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are high it will touch a level of $33.4, and once started moving above this level, probability of touching a level of 33.79 will be there. Suppose if the price moving above that particular level, chance of going towards 34.3 will be there, which is the half this zone, so chances are high the price will go further upside towards $34.58, and once started sustaining over 34.58, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of $34.77. Okay, this is the high of this zone, so there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see. So probability of crossing a level of 34.7 we can see, and it will touch a level of 35, and if the price moving on this level, a further upside movement we can see. But as I've already explained you, market is uncertain. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can touch a level of around $32.8, and if the price started falling below this level, chances of touching 32.5 will be there. If the price started going below that level, our chances of very high that if the price started going below this level, it will touch a level of 31.7, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of $31.2, and from there a level of around $32.5. Once started moving, chance of touching a level of 31.7 to a level of around $31 after crossing a level of 31.2, and once started falling below this level, chance of touching 30.6 to a level of $30, and once started falling below this level, a further downfall, because this trend will suppose a downtrend, so chances of falling further low will be there. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,